What is up, you guys? Thank you guys so much for coming to see another video. I'm really excited because New Year's is coming. It's a brand new year, a brand new start. I'm not even going to go like cliche with it because everyone does that. But I am really excited about the new year. I love fresh starts. I love new, I love new things. Some people cherish the old, that's fine. Me personally, I like new. I never want to go back to the old. And I'm sure there are a lot of people like that, so I'm not the only one. But if you guys like this look, go ahead and give me a thumbs up before the video starts. And if you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so quickly just going to do my brows. Quickly show you the shader brush that I'm going to use. And I'm using, of course, my BH Cosmetics palette, the Ultimate Matte. And there's a really cool gray. I'm actually disappointed that I chose this backdrop because I have a gray backdrop that literally matches it. But it's all good. I think it actually worked out. It's such a New Year's vibe. I had a little trouble blending this with the bigger blending brush, so I switched to the 562, and that seemed to do a lot better. You'll see on my other eye, it blends so much nicer. Then I'm just going to do a little halo. And then I'm just taking a pretty gray shimmer and I'm just going to put that down as a base. And then I'm going to go back in with a 506 and blend the edges of this silver. Then, of course, I'm adding the glue to add the silver leaf. This was a struggle. I honestly didn't get it how I liked it. I wasn't even going to post this video until I shared a picture on my Insta story and everyone was saying do it. So I popped off camera and I did the lashes and the wing liner because I wasn't even sure if I was going to continue. Also went off camera and did my face makeup. And it started to look better as it went on. Usually lashes will fix most of your issues. Then I'm just doing the under eye. I thought about doing something really cool and doing like maybe a colored under eye, but then I wanted to just stick with the gray theme. I still want to do gray again because it's not what I was envisioning really, but I still like how it came out. Then I'm going to set it all down with my Morphe spray, add some highlight. Then I'm using Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and using NYX Lingerie gloss. So here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? I am literally just struck by it. I feel like it is so extra, so New Year's, so glam. It's not easy, let me tell you. Anytime you use flakes of any sort, it's not an easy look. It's not gonna be an easy look. I thought I could do this video in a couple hours. Baby, I have been in here since I started at 8:30. It is now almost 1. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all have an amazing start to your new year. I don't know if y'all are into resolutions. I'm particularly not because I feel like your life's still continuing. You're not like a brand new person just because it's a new year, a new date. But I do like fresh starts and I hope you guys do have a nice fresh start. I hope you make good choices. Thanks for sticking around with me. Thanks for subscribing. You guys are amazing. Thanks for the support. I know it's a small channel, but it really truly means so much to me. And yeah, be looking forward to seeing more of these New Year looks. Love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.
It's no joke when you play with flakes. And you can take that any kind of way you want. Just kidding. I don't even know what that meant.